good afternoon. We had lots of comments related to binary star systems, which actually it can be something like that. We have a two-sun solar system, and the planets are going around these two suns or something like that. I will make a whole complete video for binary star systems in close future. But for now, if we want to just simulate something like that, for example, we can replace the Pluto with a sun, with another star like sun, and see what's going on if there was another sun in our solar system instead of Pluto. So it's not the exact concept of binary star systems, and as I told you, I will make a whole video for that in a separate video. But for now, I'm just trying to replace the Pluto with the sun and see the effects on the whole solar system. So for now, I just replace the sun, replace the Pluto by sun, and see what would happen in the whole solar system now. From this point of view, I think we can see what's going on. I will just increase the speed of simulation. I think something is happening there. I guess these two suns get closer to each other, and the orbit of all planets would be changed. Yeah, I've just speeded up the simulation. For now, you can see there are lots of elements who are coming to our new sun, and yeah, the other sun start moving and is coming closer to our new sun. Up to here, let me see what has happened there. What about our planets? What about the orbit of? Oh, you can see the sun is getting closer to the sun. Let's just rename this the other sun, so they wouldn't be mixed together. So we have sun 2, and as you can see, the Earth. What about the Earth situation for now? The Earth seems to be fine for now. The average temperature is the same, and the life likelihood is still, it has been decreased a little, but it's good. It's still good. And slow down the simulation so we can see better what's going on. And as you can see, all the orbits have been changed. Neptune's is going somewhere, and this sun is fastly trying to get close to sun number 2. From this view, we can see the planets are getting around the sun, and with the sun, and there are lots of fragments, as you can see in the area. That's because of this movement of the sun. I think lots of the solar system has had lots of hits, which we can see the fragments around the sun, and maybe some small planets or asteroids, something like that, they get hit to the sun and just fragmented. And you can see also this sun is the orbit is being changed. It's coming back to the sun. Also, we have Saturn, which is far from the first sun, the original sun, and it's getting closer to the second sun, so it can be interesting. And we have Mars here. Let's see what's going on here. What about these planets? Okay, you can see all the orbits are not just circle anymore, and the orbits are being changed, have been changed during this time that we have done the replacement. And can see the orbits are not circle anymore. So we have different temperature in different time slots, I think. But they're still alive. Mercury, as you can see, there's Mercury, Venus, Earth, and the order I think is still the same. But we have had some changes, like this one. Saturn has get closer to this one. You can see Saturn has an orbit which is a mixture of the new sun and the old sun. It's actually try to get around both suns. I think in future all the planets maybe have the same destiny. So I will increase the simulation to see what would happen. I think this is close that these two suns get around to each other. Oh, Saturn is just absorbed to the second sun. It's getting around the sun. Oh, we can see Neptune. Neptune is going for itself. And also Uranus. Both of them have large orbits. They are getting far from both suns. What has happened? I don't know. Saturn is getting around the second suns. We have Uranus, Neptune in there. What about Jupiter? Jupiter, where are you? Jupiter. Can anyone see Jupiter? Oh, we have Jupiter here. Jupiter has got close to the sun, I think. Not too close, but it's still getting around the first sun, the original sun. And yeah, it's getting closer and closer. The average temperature, I think, if we just decrease the speed of the simulation, we would see that when it's getting closer to the sun, for sure the average temperature would be increased. But for now, I'm waiting for these two suns to get around each other, to get close to each other. They are trying to find each other because of the gravity. I think we are close to the sun that they find each other. Not exactly they are turning around each other, but they have lots of effects on each other, because both of them, their orbits are dynamically being changed. As you can see, sun number 2 also has a timely changing orbit. Yeah, they are getting around each other like this, not in a circle, but they just affect each other. And what about again our planet? You can see Jupiter is just getting close with a high speed and get far from the sun with a slower speed. When it just get close, it's in maximum speed of the Jupiter right now is 43 kilometer per second. Let's slow it down. You can see it's increasing. It's 50 kilometer per second. And when it get close to the sun, it's in maximum speed. It's 100. And oh, the speed when it's in the closest part to the sun, its speed is around 283 kilometers. So it's strange. The most important planet for us is Earth. What's going on Earth? Earth still has the good average temperature. The speed is changing, I think, again on Earth. Let me see the speed. The Earth, no, not really. It doesn't have lots of changes, but oh, it's getting cold. It's getting cold. Let me see what's going on. If the distance between the Earth and the Sun has increased a little. Let me see if in the long term does it have the same effect. Oh, it's differentiate. It's different. It's being it's making lots of differences during the time. As you can see, the distance is tolerating between 1 AU dot 1 and 90% of AU. So it's good. It's, I think, it's tolerable for the life. Also, we can see the life situation on Earth again. This is the life situation. It's 91%. So still there's hope. Human being can survive in this situation, but uh, I'm not sure in the long term the situation would be same. But for now, you can see Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and also Mars. They're just stayed in their orbit, just uh, try to stuck in the first sun, not to get stuck with the second sun. But uh, we lost Uranus, we lost Saturn, as you can see, and second sun is just going around for itself. So again, speed up the simulation to see what's happening in here. The same scenario. They both are just getting around each other. Nothing special is happening, but the orbits are completely destroyed and changed. But there's something, it's not in this simulation we can see life likelihood was by just some parameters like water and the average temperature, something like that. But the first point I can see in here, which there is not any more Jupiter which is defending currently from the Earth against all the asteroids. So I think in comparison to the simulator, which says that life likelihood is 91%, I don't think so, because just by one this example, which we have lost Jupiter, the Earth is now defenseless against lots of asteroids. So for sure, Earth is a place to live, but maybe not for human beings. Like the asteroid which destroyed dinosaurs, I think soon the life uh, around the world would be destroyed. The situation is proper for living. It has water, it has good temperature, but at least with lots of asteroids, I think human being wouldn't survive. So that's it up to here. Nothing special happened to Earth, but for sure it has lots of effects on human beings, and there wasn't any collision between these two suns, and it's just they're just getting around to each other. Okay, thank you very much. I will make another video for uh, binary star systems for sure. It was just an example of how coming another star in our solar system affects on all orbits and all planets. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel, and uh, please just tell me your suggestion regarding the other videos, and there would be great if I would read all the comments, and I will try to simulate all the ideas that you might have in your mind. Thank you very much. Have a great night.